When it comes to maritime safety, one of the most critical skills every seafarer should master is bleeding control. Severe bleeding can occur due to accidents on board, and knowing how to respond effectively can mean the difference between life and death. First, let's talk about the common causes of severe bleeding at sea. Injuries from slips, falls, or equipment accidents can lead to significant blood loss. Understanding these risks is the first step in preparing for emergencies. Now, let's dive into the essential steps for controlling bleeding. The first thing to do is to identify the type of bleeding. There are three main types: arterial, venous, and capillary. Arterial bleeding is the most serious, characterized by bright red, spurting blood. Venous bleeding, on the other hand, flows steadily and is darker in color. Capillary bleeding is usually minor and can often be managed with basic first aid. Once you've assessed the situation, the next step is to apply direct pressure to the wound. Use a clean cloth or bandage and press firmly. If blood soaks through, don't remove the original cloth. Instead, add more layers on top. Elevating the injured limb can also help reduce blood flow to the area, which is crucial in managing severe bleeding. If direct pressure and elevation aren't enough, you may need to use a pressure bandage. This is designed to maintain constant pressure on the wound. Wrap it snugly but not so tight that it cuts off circulation. In cases where the bleeding is life-threatening and doesn't stop with these methods, applying a tourniquet may be necessary. This should be done only as a last resort. Place the tourniquet above the injury site, tighten it until the bleeding stops, and note the time it was applied. This information is vital for medical personnel when they arrive. Equipping your ship with a comprehensive bleeding control kit is essential. This kit should include sterile dressings, pressure bandages, a tourniquet, and antiseptic wipes. Familiarize yourself with the contents and their uses. Regularly check the kit to ensure everything is in good condition and replace any expired items. Finally, emergency preparedness is key. Conduct regular first aid training sessions for the crew, focusing on bleeding control techniques. Establish clear safety protocols so everyone knows their role in an emergency. Practicing these skills can build confidence and ensure a swift response when it matters most. By mastering these bleeding control techniques and being prepared, you can significantly enhance the safety of everyone on board. Remember, in a maritime emergency, your knowledge and quick action can save lives.